Reports claim two BTS members frequently visited the bar where G-Dragon and Sun Kyun allegedly used drugs. The matter is being investigated. BTS has once again got wrapped up around an ongoing drug case in the Korean entertainment industry. Their agency HYBE has issued a fresh statement responding to reports about BTS members frequently visiting establishments where Sun Kyun and BIGBANG's G-Dragon allegedly used drugs. Sun Kyun and G-Dragon are facing different drug charges. Also read, BTS, agency breaks silence, reacts to rumors amid ongoing drug scandal. BTS on alleged link with drug case. BTS's agency denied any link between BTS members and the alleged establishment in the matter. Their statement read, as per Soompi, the rumors that are circulating about our artist and a specific location are not true at all. The BTS members do not know the establishment in question, and they have never been there. We are responding to the spreading of falsehoods and the defamation of our artist's character with a no-tolerance policy, and we are taking both civil and criminal legal action, it added. It also mentioned, we have already begun taking legal action against groundless falsehoods about our artist. New rumors. The reports began when the YouTube channel Garo Zero Institute posted a new video claiming that two members of BTS were regular visitors of the establishment. The alleged hostess bar is said to be involved in the drug cases relating to G-Dragon and Sun Kyun. Previously, BTS agency had clarified that the group has no connection with any ongoing drug scandal. Promising legal actions against fake news, they had said, BTS is completely unconnected to the relevant rumor, and the rumor is not true in the slightest. We will take strong action against the indiscriminate circulation of rumors. Meanwhile, Sun Kyun recently appeared before the police for investigation. Reportedly, Sun Kyun underwent a drug test which came out negative. More tests will be reportedly conducted. Koreaboo quoted the Parasite actor saying, I have submitted my handphone today, and I have faithfully acquiesced to the requests that were required for the next formal investigation. They said that they would call me soon for the next investigation, and I will diligently answer that too. I'm so sorry for disappointing everyone who had been supporting me. G-Dragon previously denied drug use in an official statement.